Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Midas FX. Today I'm going to be showing you how to trade boom and crash using this very powerful strategy. The first rule is we're using the 1 minute time frame and we're simply waiting for this blue line, the blue line to be crossed, to be in the 90 to 80 zone. That's our first condition. Our second condition, we wait for the brown line to touch the top, the 80 there. That's on boom. Our third condition, we wait for these candlesticks to touch the top of the three lines, which is the green line right there at the top. So once those conditions are met, we can take our sell on boom. Then we simply do the opposite for crash. But first, let me show you through a couple of scenarios. We backtest it. You see how effective and how powerful this strategy is. See, there are multiple opportunities to enter in the market. So as you can see, the same thing happened here. The blue line went into the 90, 80 zone. Then after that, the green line touched, the candlesticks touched the green line over there. Then the brown line touched the 80 right there. And we took our sell on boom. Now for crash, we're simply doing the opposite. Let me take you to crash. So this is a very powerful strategy that we use both on boom and crash, and it can give us it gives us multiple pips in a day. Let's go to crash. So to crash, we're simply scalping upwards, meaning we're taking a buy on crash and we're taking a sell on boom. So on crash, we're simply doing the opposite. The brown line has to be below. The brown line has to be below. So as you can see, on crash, the brown line touched the 10-15 region and the blue line touched the 10-15 region, and the candlesticks began to go towards the green line. So before, at this mark right there, that's where we took our buy, and we only stayed in the market for 5 candlesticks. We stayed in the market for 5 candlesticks, and once the candlesticks crossed these 3 lines, it even gave a more powerful signal that the market is still going upwards. So for crash, as long as 2 conditions are satisfied, it's okay, we can enter the market, and only stay in the market for 5 candlesticks. That applies to both boom and crash. We only stay in the market for 5 candlesticks. The same thing happened here. If you want to stay for 10 candlesticks, you have to add a bit of price action and use a bit of price action if you want to stay for more than 5 candlesticks. But 5 candlesticks are enough because you have multiple entries in a day. The same thing happened here. The brown line went to the 10 and the 15. The blue line went to the 10 and the 15. The candlesticks began to face in the direction of these 3 lines, and once these 3 lines crossed, it gave us an even more powerful entry, although our initial entry was right there. Let me show you where our initial entry was. Our initial entry was right there. The most powerful entry was right there, and we only stayed in the market for about a maximum of 10 candlesticks with price action, and a maximum of 5 candlesticks using indicators only. So guys, to get the settings to this strategy, you can subscribe to Midas Forex, then inbox me via the details that are in the description below. Just check the description below for my WhatsApp, Telegram and Gmail. You can access via WhatsApp, Telegram and Gmail in the description below, and I'll send you the settings at a discount price. Thank you. That's subscribe to Midas Forex and message me.